Okay, now we need to put the parts back. Control board, wiring. Take your time because you're almost done. Red this side, blue this side. Okay. Red and blue. Okay. All components looks good. No any burn spot. We replaced this capacitor already. Okay, make sure this connection is right position, blue and red here and here. Okay, yeah, all good, all wire connected. Now put the back control board this position. Now do not clip the back because we needed connected ribbon cable. Okay, take touchpad. Cable have enough longer, just put this space inside like this. Okay, you see cable, you can see cable here. For the connected, you can use it some scissors. No, this one. Ribbon cable have a pin for the prevent some put wrong position. Okay, hold like this. You can use it any tools which better for you. It is okay. Almost done. Carefully. Okay. Now you see connector in the right place, right position. Now careful put back control board. Do not pull out and hold touchpad on the back side because if touchpad drop off can disconnect it again. Okay, put it back here. Now we can flip it here. Okay, it's all set. And just put the back touchpad. Okay, almost done. Let me see, all these sides clean. Okay, this side's clean. Now put the back cover and solenoid parts. Make sure these parts going like easily.